Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find out your time of birth. First, check your birth certificate. It often lists the precise moment you arrived. If it's not there, a great next step is to simply ask your parents or close family members. They might remember or have noted it down. Also, don't forget to look through any baby books or family keepsakes, as these can hold valuable clues about your birth details. If family sources don't yield the answer, official channels are your next best bet. Reach out to the Vital Records office in the state where you were born. When you request your birth certificate, specifically ask for the long-form version, as this often includes the time of birth, unlike shorter versions. Additionally, the hospital where you were born might still have your records, sometimes for up to 75 years or more. Should traditional methods prove unsuccessful, there are still other avenues to explore. You could consult an astrologer who specializes in birth time rectification. They use significant life events to estimate your birth moment. Another interesting option is guided hypnosis, which can sometimes help you access forgotten memories. Also, dig through any old hospital discharge papers or medical records from your birth, as these documents occasionally include the time. Knowing your exact time of birth is more than just a fun fact. It holds significant personal value. For instance, it's absolutely crucial for creating an accurate astrological birth chart, which offers profound insights into your personality and life path. This precise detail helps complete your personal narrative, giving you a fuller understanding of your origins. It's a small piece of information that can unlock a much larger picture of who you are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.